Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to submit expenses on Expensify. Now all you need to do is just log into Expensify and you can come here and click on Inbox and then just open any of your workspaces expenses. So this is my William Hunter workspace. And to add something here, we can just click on this plus icon to create, and then you can click on create expense. Or you can actually just click on this plus icon at the bottom left, and then click on create expense. Then you just enter the amount right here. Let's say $5.98. Click on next. Then we can go ahead and add a description. You can add a merchant, a category, you can do a tag as well if you would like. So let's say project Y. Let's add a category right here. Let's say this one was for home office. Okay. Merchant, you can go ahead and pick one right here. You can put the merchant name. Let's say Quick Mart. We'll save that right there. And you can also go ahead and add a receipt. So you click on this plus icon, you can upload a receipt. So you can drag and drop one onto this page. We can forward it to that email address to forward it to Expensify. Now let's go ahead and drag and drop this receipt right here. So there we go. You just drag and drop it as such and it will scan it, right? And then you can click on create expense. There we go. Just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, this expense has just been created and it's even scanning all the details. And that is how you submit expenses on Expensify.